Hi, this is Steve, and in this video I would like to provide you a comprehensive guide regarding how to meditate. In the recent months this topic came to my mind many times, but to be honest, as I don't consider myself as an expert, I just asked that how should I provide you a comprehensive guide when I am still a beginner. In the end, I drew the conclusion that this is the best time to create this video. As I am still a beginner, you might find interesting if I provide you my personal experiences regarding how can you start meditation. Personally, I hesitated a lot before I started my own meditation journey. Previously, I read a lot about the benefits, however, I didn't have any friend who can introduce me into this world. It was too good to be true, and I just asked myself, if meditation is truly that good, then why I don't have any friends who practicing it? Despite the question in my head, I started my own meditation journey, and right now I would like to share with you what I have noticed on myself after my first attempts. First, meditation can help to reduce stress and anxiety, and it was not hidden that that was my true intention to start meditating. Personally, I like to meditate in the morning hours because it can prepare myself for the daily difficulties. Sadly, when I feel myself in a stressful situation, I tend to lose my head, and this was the point where I just decided that I don't want to do the same mistake over and over again. With the meditation, I can prepare myself for the unexpected events and the mentioned difficulties because I can prepare myself already in the morning hours. If something won't go according to my plan, it doesn't mean that it won't result good things. Secondly, meditation can lead to improved self-image and positive outlooks. During my meditation, I like to come up with positive sentences and mantras which can help me to prepare myself for the day. When you fill yourself with positive vibes and you just put a smile on your face, nothing can stop you during your day. Moreover, if you have depressive thoughts and negative emotions, meditation might help you to replace them with positive ones. If you ask me, meditation helped me to create positive scenarios in my head, and I just can realize later the day that if something doesn't go according to my plan, it doesn't mean that it won't manifest in the way as I imagined. Sometimes we must understand that the present suffering can serve a better future. None of the least, meditation helped me to improve my sleeping pattern. Even if I do regular exercises, develop the sleeping pattern, and also limit my caffeine intake, meditation was the final dot for the perfect sleeping picture. All in all, meditation can help me to clear out my mind and make sure that I have the best quality sleeping. All in all, I think meditation is a powerful tool which can help you to organize your thoughts and emotions and prepare for the unexpected events, or even more. I recommend you to write your own journal in parallel with meditation because the both two can be super effective regarding your self-development. Certainly, I know that I have only mentioned a few benefits of meditation. If you feel that I left something, please don't hesitate to leave your comment. Now we have discussed how powerful meditation can be. We can move to the next step when I just would like to provide you my 7-step guide which can help you to create the perfect meditation journey. Step 1. Select a peaceful place. I guess I won't say anything new if I tell you that meditation can work the best in a quiet place. You must find a tranquil spot where you can be with your own thoughts and emotions, and it is much more easier to feel yourself relaxed when you won't get distracted by external factors like different noises. When you start meditating, make sure that you turn off all electronic devices around you. Yes, you heard it right, even your smartphone. And I know that there are many different meditation applications on smartphones. However, I suggest you to start with the traditional way. Personally, I like to meditate in a noiseless place because I truly enjoy the sound of silence. However, if you can feel yourself more relaxed, then you can listen relaxing, calm nature music. Regarding the environment, you can meditate inside and outside. Personally, I prefer inside because I can control the different external factors which might interrupt my meditation journey, and it is also easier to practice mindfulness when I can be in a complete silence. However, if you decide that you would like to practice meditation in an outside spot, make sure that you don't sit next to a crowded place or a noisy road. All in all, give a try for the mentioned opportunities and find the best spot where you can practice meditation. Step 2. Choose comfortable clothes. I think you will agree with me if I tell you that you won't practice meditation in a tight skinny jeans which is not too comfortable when you are sitting at the same position for 10 to 20 minutes. The same goes for accessories. You don't want to get disrupted by these kind of bracelets, earrings and necklaces. If you want to reach the desired tranquility, you need to make sure that you wear loose, comfortable clothes. Pick a few pieces out of your wardrobe and dedicate these clothes to your meditation set. This is what I did in the beginning, and any time when I just felt that I don't have the right mood for meditation, I take a look on these mentioned clothes and I just felt myself that okay, it's time to start for the 10 minutes meditation. Shortly, select the right piece of clothes for meditation and start your journey. Step 3. Set a timer. Before you begin, you must decide how long would you like to meditate. Experts say that a meditation don't need to last more than 20 minutes. However, if you are a beginner, I don't suggest to set this time limit. If you ask me, I still didn't reach the mentioned 20 minutes. Right now I am around 10 to 12 minutes. However, I started from 3. When you don't have any experience, it might be frustrating when you sit in the same position for 12 minutes and you don't know how to start to think about something. Therefore, I recommend to start your meditation journey from 3 to 5 minutes, and later when you get used to it, you can increase the duration. Don't worry if you lose your patience during your first attempts. That's absolutely okay if you get frustrated because you don't know how to start to think about something and how to feel yourself relaxed. For the timing purpose, I recommend you to use a gentle alarm a bit away from your meditation spot. As I mentioned previously, I don't like to use my smartphone built-in timer. Although it is recommended to start with 10 minutes meditation, I strongly recommend you to start from 3 or 5 minutes and increase the duration as you get better in, and make sure that you don't lose your patience and don't give up even if you don't feel yourself comfortable by the first attempts. Step 4. Do some stretches and find a comfortable position. Before you start to meditate, I suggest you to stretch your shoulders, arms and neck, and especially your lower back. Stretching is essential for a successful meditation as you don't want to get distracted by muscle tenderness and tightness. Regarding your meditation spot, you can sit on the floor or in a chair, or you can lay down. It only depends on you how you feel yourself the most comfortable. If you decided that you would like to meditate seated, pay attention to your spine and come up with a fixed straight position, as it will help you to avoid any injuries. Step 5. Close your eyes. Meditation can be performed by open and closed eyes too. However, experts recommend for beginners to start with closed eyes, as it can help them to avoid visual distractions. The key is to reach a state when you can feel yourself comfortable and relaxed, but you don't want to fall asleep. From my perspective, in the beginning it was very difficult to find the right balance between feel myself relaxed but not sleepy, and sometimes I just feel that I will fall asleep, but that's absolutely fine when you are a beginner. Step 6. Follow your breath. Breathing plays a key role in your meditation journey, and you can find many different techniques how you should breathe during your meditation. Personally, I breathe normally during my meditation as I don't want to change my breathing pattern, and I try to act as normal as I can do because I think that's the only way to feel myself relaxed. I focus on my breathing slowly, inhale and exhale. However, I don't add any further comment to my pattern like, oh, I need to inhale more, or maybe my last breath was deeper or something like that. You don't need to add any comment. Just be natural. All in all, let your breath lead you, as its repetitive and tranquility qualities will help you to feel yourself relaxed. Step 7. Focus on mental images. Lastly, during your meditation, you would like to keep focus on a mental image which can help you to feel yourself comfortable and relaxed. My favorite vision when I imagine myself on the beach and see the wave of the ocean coming back and forth, and I try to recreate this experience as real as I can. Therefore, I also pay attention to every small details, like the sounds of the seagulls. I try to feel the sand under my foot, and I also try to smell the ocean. Certainly, you don't need to imagine yourself outside. You can come up with any kind of visualization which can help you to feel yourself more relaxed. You can also read many techniques on the internet. However, when I tried them, I didn't find them so effective, and I just took my own personal experiences because I can feel myself more relaxed. I can imagine because I already experienced them. To wrap up this topic, meditation can be a very powerful tool if you practice it in the right way. It can help you to feel yourself more relaxed, it can be a big part of your self-development, and also teaches you how to deal with stress and anxiety. I hope the provided 7-step process can help you to develop your own perfect meditation practice, and as you can see, there are many pieces which can help you to make sure that in the end you find the best tranquility. Right now, I leave you with your thoughts, and as always, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, and see you next time.